In this question, we are asked to evaluate several expressions. In the first example, we have 2 times 2 to the 2 times 5 to the 2 is greater than, less than, or equal to 10 to the 5. In order to solve this, we need to be able to combine this expression and make it into something we can compare to 10 to the 5. Since both of these numbers are squared, we can rewrite this expression for the first one as 2 times 5 all squared, and then compare it to 10 to the 5. Or 2 times 5 is 10, 10 squared, and then compare it to 10 to the 5. 10 squared is certainly less than 10 to the 5. In the second example, it's a little bit different. In this case, we have 2 to the 5 times 2 to the 2 equals, or is some relation to 2 to the 10. When you have the same base number, when you multiply them, you can add the exponents, because this is 2 times 2 5 times, and this is 2 times 2. So this whole expression is going to be 2 times itself 7 times, or 2 to the 5 plus 2, 2 to the 7. And then we can compare that to 2 to the 10. In this case, 2 to the 7 is less than 2 to the 10. In the final example, it's a little bit different again. We have 2 to the 5 times 5 to the 2. And we need to evaluate this expression. In this case, we also have 10 to the 2 on the other side. But remember above that 10 to the 2 can also be thought of as 2 times 5 to the 2, or 2 to the 2 times 5 to the 2. So if we compare 2 to the 5 times 5 to the 2, it must be larger than 2 squared times 5 squared, because in this case 2 is raised to the 5th power. Therefore, ultimately we want to put 2 to the 5th times 5 to the 2nd is greater than 10 to the 2. Another way to do this problem would be to actually figure out the numerical values of each of these using our calculator, and that would work as well. In many of the problems in this that we go over in this course, there are many ways to do them.